If you're still single and you struggle with girls, I'll show you how to fix it. But the truth will be brutal. However, if you'll treat my words seriously, 80% of your problems with dating will disappear. I'm sure that you were watching all these dating advice from other gurus, ignoring her, teasing, or being busy. And yes, it works, but most of your problems are because of external things you may not be aware of. To overcome your struggles with girls, you need to fix them. But first, you need to understand what women really want. A lot of people say that girls just want to have fun. And it's more than true. Women are not that complicated as everyone's saying. Girls want to experience life and different scenarios, and your job is to give it to her. This leads us to the first reason why you're struggling with girls. It's because you're just boring. It sounds harsh, I know. If your life is about work and playing computer games in your free time, don't be surprised that girls don't want to stay with you longer than a few days. And yes, the reason why you're still single is because of you. But the good information is that it can easily be fixed. And it's actually very simple. The only thing you need to do is to seek and organize some adventure time during your week with your friends. It can be something really trivial, like just a simple visit in a bar or soccer match. That's enough. On the other hand, finding a hobby is the most overpowered thing when it comes to making your life more interesting. Reading a book, gym, drawing, martial arts, anything. And no, playing computer games doesn't count. It's nothing unique with it. Most of the guys are playing computer games and it's nothing interesting in it at all. The point here is to make your life going without her. Because of it, the girl will be only an addition to your life, not the purpose of it. It's extremely unattractive for a woman when the guy puts her in the first place, forgetting about his own life. Therefore, make it interesting and you'll see that she alone will want to enter it. Congratulations. Now you're a step closer to getting rid of loneliness. But the previous point alone will be useless for you without this one, because you can be the most interesting guy on earth, and at the same time you'll lack personality. I'm gonna be honest with you, if you're not funny with her and you don't make her engaged in a conversation, you're fucked. However, developing your personality, it's not that hard. Because of your hobbies and interests, you're actually making it better. But I'm going to tell you about more useful tricks. When it comes to girls especially, she wants a masculine man. Masculinity is your biggest card when it comes to dating. Every girl wants masculinity the same way as you want femininity. That's why you need to be a leader with her. You are the one who invites her to dates, who plans them, and who takes responsibility for emotions there. It's extremely attractive for a girl. You'll notice that after her noticing that you're a leader, and she doesn't need to think about activities you're going to do together, the pressure will go out from her shoulders. Therefore, she'll open up and she'll be engaged in a conversation. That's why you need to shut up and listen. You need to be a good listener. It's not only about having something interesting to say, but also being able to listen with interest. Don't misunderstand it. You're still leading the conversation, but you let her speak. Now, it's the time for the last point. And I know that a lot of guys will hate it. The last point is your looks. And yes, your look plays a very important part when it comes to girls. I didn't ever meet a girl who wants people to see her with a bum next to her. However, you still need to remember that you want to take care of your looks, not only for women, but also for yourself. If you look better, you're more confident. And the truth is that everyone who takes care of yourself can be at least 8 out of 10. I'm not telling you to become a supermodel, but take care of your skin, especially your face and the clothes you're wearing. If you take care of it, you're good to go. When it comes to your hair, every barber can adjust your hairstyle to the shape of your head. So don't worry about it. Just take the first step to improve your looks. You'll notice that you're more confident next to her, and you don't feel like a Shrek, but actually like a handsome guy. If you think that's complicated and hard to do, you really need to think about your life, not only dating, but your entire lifestyle in general. Don't complain that it should be easier. Push yourself to be better. No one gets everything without any effort. Dating is something that you can train, and you should treat it like a muscle. Most of the things come with experience, but using these things, you'll notice a massive improvement in your relationships with women. If this video was interesting for you, probably this one is going to be valuable for you as well.